Are you a senior who enjoys walking but wishes you could use it to stretch your budget a little further? Well, you can, because now you can use your steps to earn gift cards and all sorts of products for free. Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you just how you can go about doing that. Hi, my name is Carol, and the name of my channel is Broke but Bountifully Blessed. And today I'm going to show you what I just learned about a walking app. Now, I was just looking for something that would count my steps, but I was really excited to find out that I can earn cash and gift cards and all sorts of things. I just downloaded the app and I keep my phone in my pocket while I'm walking. I started by going to the Google Play Store. Then I typed in walking app. Then Google already anticipated what I was typing in. All I did was click on enter, and quite a few popped up. I couldn't decide which one to choose, so I went to my friendly Claude Sonnet, and Claude looked like he was happy to help me, so I typed this in, and this is what it said. The very first one was Sweatcoin, which converts steps into digital currency called sweat coins, which you can redeem for products, services, and gift cards. It's highly popular with over 170 million users, and it has a 4.3 star rating. Well, that looks good to me. So since it had the most best reviews, I selected it. And here it tells me how many steps I've taken. Up in the right-hand corner, it tells me how many coins I've earned. And then it has these down on the bottom. When I click the one on the middle, it gives me a chance to click on rewards. I have to do that every day or it starts over. And once I do one, it keeps wanting to multiply it. And all I have to do is watch more ads to earn more sweat coins. And now that I've got all these sweat coins, what am I going to do with them? At the very bottom of the screen, you'll see this bar. And when I click on Earn, I find that there's all sorts of things that I can earn just by using my sweat coins. Then I moved a little further right and clicked on Rewards. There was even more to choose from here. There were some great prizes to win, some nice things to buy, and even some auctions to bid on. Then I clicked on Social. There were several challenges to join, as well as clubs, and even a place to organize my friends. It's really empty right now, but if you click on the link that I've added to the description, you could be added as a friend and we'll both get points. So whether you're walking inside for the exercise, outside for the view, or walking your dog, you're going to need the Sweatcoin app. And don't forget about that link in the description.